Before we begin, if you are new to this channel, click subscribe for you to receive updates about jazz tech videos. Hit like below and share this video to your friends and family. If you don't, this terrifying creature will knock on your door tonight. What is the Ring Stick-Up Cam plugin? Third generation Ring Stick-Up Cam plugin is a next-generation security camera that can be used both indoors and outdoors to bolster the security around your home. The Ring Stick-Up Cam plugin features 1080p Full HD resolution, night vision, two-way audio, HD video recording, and a wide viewing angle with multiple power options. Product specs: what comes in the box? Ring Stick-Up Cam plugin, Ring Stick-Up Cam plugin unit, indoor-outdoor power adapter, stand and wall mount accessories, installation tools and hardware, micro USB cable for charging, user manual quick start guide, security sticker. To see how you can set up the Ring Stick-Up camera in the Ring app, let's watch this video.
Today I'm going to show you how to set up a stick-up camera plugin. As you can see, there's a power cord at the back and it's connected to the outlet. I just removed the base because you can find here the button, the setup button below, the orange button. You need this one later, and also the barcode in order to, the QR code in order for you to set it up. And you can buy this item on Amazon or on the ring.com website. Yep, let's proceed. In order to set it up, first you have to create an account on the ring.com, and after you created an account, you need to download the app on your phone, then log in to your account. After you log in or signed in, that is the time that it will advise you to set up the device in the Ring app. To do so, first you have to open the Ring application. As you can see, it automatically let me sign in because I already have an account and I just logged in earlier. And you can see that there are two devices already that I just set up on my front door and on front gate. You will see there the three lines in the upper left. You have to click it, or the hamburger menu, then hit setup a device. Of course, since this is a security camera, we have to select security cams. Yes, we have to click I'm ready to scan it. So you will see here the QR code, right? That's what we need, and we have to scan that QR code. There it is. It successfully recognized it. And now let's hit continue. Then of course this is an indoor camera. Oh, another thing is I forgot to turn on the power. But before we proceed in the Ring app, we can turn this on first. You will see that light pattern, it's steady. Then if the power went off, that is the time that we're going to click the setup button at the bottom, the orange button. Okay. Take note that the stick-up camera plugin can be indoor or outdoor. This is a very convenient camera. This is the reason why I bought this camera, because you can set it up outside or inside your house. It depends if you like to install it outside or inside. As you can see, there's no light pattern anymore, but before that I'm going to go click into the house in the Ring application. These are the information on how you can power up the stick-up cam, and as you can see, I am powering up by electrical socket. I am not using a battery because this is also can be a battery operated device. It's a dual purpose device. So I'm just gonna click electrical socket. I don't have a pan tilt, of course, so we need to click this one. Then stick-up cam is on, of course, and then yes, I'm going to put it in my living room. I successfully removed the film as well. Then grab my Wi-Fi password. But before that, it needs to be in setup mode. To do so, we have to press this one, then release it real quick. Then there should be a flashing light and that respond. You need to hear that response, or if there's no response from the device, you should see this light pattern, a slowly blinking light indicating that it's in setup mode. Let's click continue in the Ring application, then hit got it. Then it will advise us to turn on the Bluetooth in order to strengthen the connection in setting it up. I am near the device, yes. Then the light is flashing blue, of course. Then let's hit continue, hit got it, searching for device. Okay, and you can see there's a Ring Setup 58. That is the setup mode, the setup network of this Ring camera, or what we call a Ring setup Wi-Fi network of this camera. And you will be able to identify if this is the correct Ring setup mode, because commonly it will show the last 2 digits of the MAC address, the MAC ID of the device. It shows there that the Ring Setup 58. It's because this camera has make sure that it has a last 2 digits of MAC ID is 58. See, it's 58, as you can see there. That is the best way on how you can check if you are trying to connect the correct camera in the Ring application, because sometimes it will show a different Wi-Fi network on your Ring application and it's not matching on your MAC ID. That's a problem if it shows that way, because mostly it will not go through. But you can give it a try to connect with it. But just in case if you're encountering some issues on how you can connect the Ring app to your camera, you have to make sure to see the MAC address on the device itself, not on the box, because sometimes you are looking on the MAC address on the box instead of looking on the MAC address on the device itself. And because sometimes the MAC ID that you can find on the box, it's different on the MAC ID that you can find on the camera. So that's it. So let's continue. Let's go ahead and connect to it, because we just checked that it's a correct camera.
Now connected to the Ring app.
Okay, it says it's connected to the Ring app application. So now we're going to connect it to the Wi-Fi. This is my Wi-Fi, and it's no longer asking. As you can see, it's no longer asking me to put my Wi-Fi password, because I just successfully did it to my other 2 devices earlier. Remember, I had 2 devices already installed on in the Ring application and set up already. So this is the 3rd device.
Now
and the Ring application is already, recognizing the same password that I just put earlier. So that's why. Okay, it's successfully done. So let's click continue and then continue. You can just say I've already installed it. Skip it for now. Skip it. You can optimize this one. So this is the sensitivity of the motion detector. So I rather like to let it stay that way, because it's not the time yet for me to maximize it, then set up a feature or use the default zone. For now, I think it's better if I'm going to use the default. Then continue. The motion zones, let's keep it for now, then I'm done. And also take note that you can change the settings of this device anytime. The motion settings, you can change it anytime. Okay, there it is. And let's give it a try. Let's make sure that it will work after we set it up. But sometimes we need to check because maybe this device is still updating, and yep, it's updating. And as you can see here, there's a blue icon right there at the upper left. That means it's still updating and you cannot use the device in the meantime. So we have to wait for that one first. And if you see that light pattern on the device, it's also indicating that it's trying to update the latest firmware or the updated firmware. It's just stopped. So if you can see that the device is still trying to update in the Ring app, you can just close it and you can try to go back again. Though sometimes the reason why I'm doing this, because mostly it's just a delay. Sometimes your phone, the application is already updated, that it's already recognizing the new device that you just installed, and sometimes it's not. That's why I'm trying to close it, then reopening it again. Let's wait for it to be updated. Hello guys, I'm back, and I just waited around like 6 minutes or 7 minutes after I set it up in the in the Ring app, and it was updating. And since it's already completed the update for the firmware, so let's give it a try. Let's do live view. Let's make sure that it's working. Yep, it's working properly, and as you can see my hands right there, my hand. Yep, it's very clear and nice. Love it. Okay, that's it guys. Then you can just go ahead and click end live and make sure that everything is set up properly here. And by the way, if you see that red icon, and the good thing is it's notifying me as well whenever whenever it detects motions, what I said earlier. And if you can see that red icon in the upper left, that is the what do you call it? That is another feature of the Ring security camera, and you will be able to see that one in the Ring app. Actually, if you go to the dashboard, you'll be able to see those icons at the very top, the disarm, home, and away buttons. Okay, as you can see, it's trying to change the mode. This is the modes. Okay, then you can find the modes actually here. That's it. These are the mode settings of your security cams. It can control the motion detection and so on. That's it guys. If you like my videos, please hit like below. Then also, if you want to receive latest updates for my future videos about Jazz Tech, you can click subscribe below, and please don't forget to share these videos to anyone who needs help in setting up this kind of camera. And if you need more information, or if you have any questions related to Ring, maybe I can help, and you just go comment down below. Okay, goodbye and take care always. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.
There will be a lot of videos in the future. Don't forget to click subscribe to receive updates for the latest videos. Thank you so much for watching Jazz Tech. Have a great day or good night.